From dropping $40 million on a swanky penthouse in Tribeca to splurging over $2 million on a custom-built Pagani Zonda, Lewis Hamilton's all about the unique and lavish. Let's take a peek inside his world of luxury. Lewis Hamilton, the 7-time Formula One world champion, is not just renowned for his speed on the track.
Lewis Hamilton has got past Fernando Alonso. That, Martin, is a crucial move for him.
But also for his extravagant lifestyle off it. With a net worth estimated at over $285 million, Hamilton's penchant for luxury extends far beyond the confines of racing circuits. His collection of cars alone speaks volumes about his affinity for high-performance vehicles and rare classics. Hamilton's relationship status has been a topic of interest, with the racer famously stating to The Independent, "I am not in a relationship. I don't have kids. My car is my baby." This sentiment is reflected in his awe-inspiring car collection, valued at approximately £13 million. At the heart of this collection is a custom-built purple Pagani Zonda, a masterpiece worth £1.6 million, tailored to his exact specifications. This car exemplifies Hamilton's taste for exclusivity and personalization. Among his prized possessions is the ultra-rare 1966 Shelby 427 Cobra, valued at £4 million, a true gem in automotive history that underscores Hamilton's appreciation for vintage cars with immense historical value. Not one to stick to classics alone, Hamilton can also be seen cruising in a sleek red Ferrari LaFerrari, a modern marvel worth £1 million, showcasing his love for the Italian marque. His garage is further adorned with the limited edition Mercedes-AMG Project One, one of only 275 units ever produced, each fetching approximately £2 million. Hamilton's affiliation with Mercedes extends beyond racing, evident from his regular use of the 230,000-pound Mercedes-AMG SLS Black as his daily driver. Additionally, his collection includes the futuristic McLaren P1, worth £2 million, a nod to his roots with McLaren in Formula One. For a touch of nostalgia, Hamilton owns a 1967 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, a classic muscle car valued around £750,000, alongside an eclectic mix that includes an electric Mercedes Maybach 6 and a Honda CRF 450 RX motocross bike. His passion for adventure is evident in his ownership of an electric Maverick X3 dune buggy, highlighting his diverse automotive interests. Away from the asphalt, Hamilton enjoys the serene waters aboard his Sunseeker 90 yacht, purchased in 2009 for $4 million. This yacht serves as his private sanctuary and symbolizes his taste for luxury beyond the realm of speed. Beyond cars and yachts, Hamilton's affinity for luxury extends to his choice of accessories. Despite F1 regulations banning drivers from wearing jewelry in the paddock, Hamilton boldly flaunted 3 luxury watches worth a staggering £32,250 at one race. Among these were the Big Pilot's Watch, £10,900, the Big Pilot's Watch Top Gun Mojave Desert, £14,500, and the Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One Team Watch, £6,850, all from the esteemed manufacturer IWC. Hamilton's lifestyle choices are not just about opulence, but also about celebrating his achievements and passions. His collection of supercars and luxury items serves as a testament to his success and his unwavering commitment to embracing life to the fullest. Each vehicle and accessory in his possession tells a story, reflecting his journey from a talented young racer to a global icon synonymous with speed, style, and uncompromising excellence. Lewis Hamilton's luxury lifestyle is not merely about possession, but about the experiences and milestones they represent. Lewis Hamilton's lifestyle is as illustrious off the track as it is on. Renowned for his luxurious tastes and global presence, Hamilton has established opulent residences in some of the world's most exclusive locales. One of his most cherished locations is Monte Carlo, Monaco, which he proudly calls home. Sharing a photo of his breathtaking view, Hamilton expressed his gratitude for residing in such an extraordinary place. The exclusive Fontville area, where he is believed to live, is synonymous with extravagant properties, reflecting Hamilton's affinity for luxury living. Beyond Monaco, Hamilton's real estate portfolio spans across continents. In 2019, he made headlines with the purchase of a $40 million four-bed penthouse in Tribeca, Manhattan, a fashionable district known for its luxury living and stunning views of the Hudson River. Although he never fully settled in, Hamilton later sold the property at a profit, showcasing his acumen in real estate investments on the global stage. Back in the UK, Hamilton acquired an £18 million mansion in West London in 2017, demonstrating his penchant for high-value properties. However, his plans to renovate and modify the estate stirred controversy among local residents, highlighting his ambitious approach to personalizing his living spaces to suit his lifestyle. Hamilton's penchant for acquiring upscale real estate is not merely a display of wealth, but also a strategic investment. His properties serve as havens of comfort and privacy during his frequent travels to Formula One races, ensuring he has a home away from home wherever he goes. Lewis Hamilton's lifestyle isn't just about luxury homes and fast cars. It extends to the skies with his penchant for private air travel. A key part of his high-flying lifestyle is his $30 million customized candy red Bombardier Challenger 605 jet. This sleek aircraft isn't just a mode of transport, it's a statement of Hamilton's status and preferences for comfort and efficiency. The Bombardier Challenger 605 is known for its luxurious interiors, tailored to Hamilton's exacting standards. It offers him the privacy and relaxation he needs while traveling between his numerous residences and Formula One race circuits across the globe. The aircraft is designed for long-distance travel, allowing Hamilton to cover vast distances without the hassle of commercial flights, security lines, or crowded airports. For Hamilton, time is of the essence, and his private jet allows him to maintain a busy schedule without the typical delays associated with commercial air travel. Whether he's heading from Monaco to Manhattan or jetting off to Los Angeles or Colorado, the Challenger 605 provides him with the flexibility to arrive at his destination swiftly and on his own terms. The decision to invest in such a high-end private jet also reflects Hamilton's financial acumen and diversified income streams. While his primary income stems from his illustrious Formula One career, where he commands a substantial $40 million annual salary from Mercedes-AMG Petronas, Hamilton has also ventured into strategic investments. Beyond racing, Hamilton has made savvy moves in the business world, including acquiring ownership stakes in promising ventures. Notably, he invested in Zap, a forward-thinking bank aimed at revolutionizing online banking and shopping experiences for millennials and Gen Z. Additionally, he founded X44 Technologies, a holding company focused on sustainable goods, battery technology, and electric vertical takeoff aircraft. These investments not only diversify Hamilton's income, but also position him at the forefront of innovative industries poised for significant growth. His stake in these ventures represents a forward-thinking approach to wealth management, leveraging his fame, fortune, and business acumen beyond the realm of motorsport. Moreover, Hamilton's private jet isn't just a luxury, it's a practical tool that enhances his efficiency and productivity. In the fast-paced world of Formula One, where split-second decisions and global travel are the norm, having reliable and expedient transportation is crucial. The Challenger 605 allows Hamilton to maximize his time both on and off the track, ensuring he remains at the top of his game professionally while enjoying the perks of his success personally. And that wraps up today's insight into Lewis Hamilton's lavish lifestyle. From his multi-million-dollar homes in Monaco, London, and beyond, to his impressive car collection and customized private jet, Hamilton's taste for luxury knows no bounds. What aspect of Hamilton's opulent life intrigues you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to suggest topics you'd like us to explore in future videos. Stay tuned for more exclusive glimpses into the world of the rich and famous. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.